Hey guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So I have a string here and I want to split based on the place, and I got this exception. Dangling meta character exception is pattern syntax exception when it comes to string split. Well, in this video we are going to discuss about this. If you see here, I have the place, and let's say I kept the star here, and with the star as well I'm facing the similar issue. So this is a common scenario that we come across, and my suggestion is use the little bit of pattern here. You have this place, right? Then you simply use like this. You put two slashes, backslashes, and do like this. Then you come out of the dangling exception, then you simply split it. Okay, I hope you guys understood this entire thing, or else let me try to type it again with explanation. Something like str, I have hello world, something like this, hello space world. Okay, now I wanted to split based, I want to get hello and I want to get the world separately. Then the separator between them is place, so I'll use str dot split of, as I said, I'm going to use two backslashes here in order to avoid the dangling exception, and my split will return me string array. So I am using that something like what is the name we'll give. Okay, str array will keep just for the sake of it. Then you iterate it for string s in str array. Okay, then you simply type that onto the console. This is as simple as you can get, guys. Only thing is, just make sure this special characters sometimes when you are doing the split. That's it from this video. Hope you guys are finding it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.